play a road and race. I'm lucky that I work in an industry where my passion lies, and with a brand where my passion lies as well. The relationship started really, I mean, we've always loved Porsche as a brand. We were fortunate enough to be nominated by Porsche Centre for the manufacturer approval in 2008. And on to Porsche from 2008, and since then Porsche's been the mainstay of our work. So it started in '88, so my dad at the time was trying to pursue a career in motorsport. So he's racing in F3 at the time, set up and prepare his friends' racing cars. And then it quickly progressed into restoration, a little bit of accident repair, and then the accident repair took hold really. And then we've sort of grown alongside it as a brand. And I think the thing that's tied us quite well to Porsche in the UK specifically is our love for motorsport as well. It's quite a rarity within the body shop industry to be heavily involved in motorsport. We're obviously recommended by the brand themselves, and that's not easy to come by or easy to achieve. The training that all our technicians have delivered by the manufacturer themselves, the specific tooling that allows us to do the job correctly, which no other repairer has, other than the 18 recommended in the UK. We use genuine parts, the correct repair methods, with trained staff. You know, to me, if I had that much investment in a car like that, that was my pride and joy. It's, yeah, I know I'm biased, but it's a bit of a no-brainer really. Through our ties with motorsport and our ties with Porsche as a recommended repairer, which has really helped our standing. We love it as well, we're passionate about it. We're not just in it to sort of churn cars in and out the door, we love what we do. We ensure that all of our team are of the same mindset as well, so we enjoy what we do, we're passionate about what we do. I started at Road and Race, in all honesty, to allow me to have the time off that I needed to try and pursue a career in motorsport. I got more sucked into the day-to-day of the business, and yeah, I've carried on racing ever since, but on a slightly lesser level. I think the main pillars that we try and stick by are quality of repair and quality of customer service, which can go hand in hand really, but they're the main things that we focus on, and yeah, it's done well for us so far. I've been a busy boy this year between both businesses and racing, but it's been a year I won't forget.